y'all? I'm back with another holiday recipe, and for those who are new to the channel, welcome. I'm Saba. I'm showing you how to make cinnamon roll chaffles. Ooh. Get into it, y'all. And I have a very special Christmas giveaway announcement at the end of this video. So y'all, without further ado, let's jump right into today's recipe. The ingredients you'll need for the recipe are eggs, almond flour, baking powder, mozzarella cheese, sea salt, cinnamon, sweetener, vanilla extract, cream cheese, and heavy cream. In case you're wondering what the heck chaffles are basically waffles primarily made out of cheese and eggs. Cheese, waffles, chaffles, and y'all, if you've been watching, you know I'm obsessed with it. I've made a couple of other variations before, from our pizza chaffles to recently the pumpkin chaffles. I will link both videos so you can watch it after this one. It's Christmas time, and right now I'm obsessed with all things cinnamon, so let's jump right in. The first thing you want to do is preheat your waffle maker, and you also want to grab a large mixing bowl like this and a whisk. So now we're just gonna combine all the ingredients together. One of my favorite things about this is I don't have to mix the wet and dry ingredients separately. Just dump it in the bowl, mix it together, and then put it into the waffle maker. I have my almond flour, and this is gonna act like the base. So, you know, every batter needs some type of good base. Almond flour substitutes all-purpose flour. Again, low carb. I don't do white flour or all-purpose anymore. So here's my tablespoon. Dump that in. I have my baking powder. I'm gonna take a scoop, like so. Then my sea salt, put a pinch in there, not too much, just a little bit. My cinnamon, I love cinnamon, and so I'm gonna be a little generous here. I will give you measurements on my website for this recipe, so you can go off of that or do your own thing as well. Add a little bit of sweetness to our chaffles, so I'm gonna add a little bit of my Lakanto sweetener. I'm gonna eyeball this. I don't have the biggest sweet tooth, but I like a little sweetness in my cinnamon roll chaffles. I take this vanilla extract. Here are my eggs. I'm gonna take that, take the second one, voila. And last but not least, the cheese. Just gonna take the whole bag and dump it in. And guys, I have the creamy melt mozzarella cheese. It does not matter if you have creamy melt or the regular. As long as you're using cheese, you're good to go. I have all the ingredients in the bowl, and now it's time to mix. This is what the chaffle mixture looks like. And now my waffle maker is done preheating. So I'm gonna grab my 4th and Heart ghee oil spray. Let's see if the camera picks it up. I'm gonna spray the plates and then use a measuring cup to scoop up the batter. This is a 1/2 cup, but honestly any size works as long as you get enough batter to fill the plates. Savorers, the chaffles are done. I'm so excited. I can smell the cinnamon, y'all. Look at this. Oh my gosh. It's hot. Okay, wait, hold on. Bring it closer. Oh my gosh. Gosh, it's so hot, y'all. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Woo. Okay. That's the first one. It's crispy. Yes, I'm loving this, y'all. I cannot wait to eat these bad boys. That's what I get for not being patient. I'm gonna turn this off now. Push this back. Ow! Ow! Ow, ow, ow. It's okay, it's okay. Okay, I'm okay. I'll live. I'll survive. This is what it looks like. Look at this, y'all. Deliciousness. I love a good crispy situation. That's why I left mine in longer. Y'all, I'm super duper hungry, but I have to let this cool. So I'm gonna let this cool for a little bit, set this aside so that we can start on the frosting. I'm gonna grab those ingredients and I'll be right back. So I took my cream cheese out of the refrigerator. I didn't even bother to leave it at room temperature because we're gonna put this in the microwave to help it melt. And here is my heavy cream. Oh. I forgot this is a new package. It would probably help if I took the little safeguard out, right? Okay, so there we go. There we go. You want to put this in the microwave for like 15 seconds and then take it out and then mix it together. You want to repeat this process until it's nice and well melted and ready to be drizzled on top of our chaffles. Guys, I decided to put in a little more sweetener. So I added the sweetener, I put it in for the second 15-second mark, and now it's out and it's looking frothy and good. So I'm just gonna mix this all together again. I am loving the consistency that it's giving me. You can see it's nice and runny. It's perfect. Now I'm gonna drizzle the cream cheese on top of the chaffles. All right, savers, the moment I've been waiting for. Look how, ooh, it's dripping. I put some syrup on top because, you know, you gotta have some syrup with your chaffles. It's ooey, it's gooey. Oh, for real? Can you and me? Just give me a cinnamon roll, cinnamon bun, and a chaffle. It's giving me cinnamon roll vibe. This is my jam. I can't stop eating this. All right, guys, it's the giveaway announcement, the moment that you've been waiting for. One lucky person this week is going to win a 1-month subscription to Advanced Magazine and a copy of the 2021 Arrivista Planner.
The Arrivista Planner is an all-encompassing organizer that includes tips on fiscal responsibility, personal empowerment, spiritual well-being, and inspiration to help you be the best version of yourself. It comes in beautiful Ankara prints in a protective case. Advanced Magazine is an online-based magazine tailored to ambitious women ages 16 and up. It aims to inspire women of all ages and walks of life to advance in every aspect of life and brings fresh content regarding current events, body positivity, music, and entertainment.
Guys, real quick, I wanted to show you the Arrivista Planner to show you what color you could be winning. Yes, they all come in this beautiful hardcover blue case for you to protect your planner. And look, guys, look at the gold detailing. Isn't that gorgeous? You could win a pink planner. Look how gorgeous this is. Here is just the front page. Y'all, you have your calendar view, so the whole month view here. Again, maybe it's my lighting. Maybe the lights are so bright. I'm trying, y'all. Then you have every month has a theme. You can write out your goals for that particular month. Y'all, this is amazing. And your weekly calendar view, so you have the lines so you can write that in. Camouflage pocket, I got some checks in there, so you know I can't show that, but it has some camouflage pocket for you so that you can put some knickknacks in there as well. Even the pages have gold foiling and glitter. This is amazing. So good luck to all of y'all to get the pink planner. I will be announcing this winner at the end of the week. So visit my website, savoringwithsaba.com, to get the full ingredients list and step-by-step instructions for this recipe. And then check out the description box below to get the deets on how to enter into my Christmas giveaway. Everyone, thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and most importantly, subscribe and become a savorer. And as always, stay safe and happy savoring.